Welcome back to Anatomy of Life, where we explore the incredible systems that keep the human body alive and functioning. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and essential systems in the human body, the reproductive system. This system is responsible for one of life's most important processes, creating new life. But there's so much more to it than reproduction alone. It controls hormones, influences development, and plays a key role in identity, health, and overall well-being. In this video, we'll break down the male reproductive system, the female reproductive system, hormonal control, fertilization and pregnancy, and common disorders. Let's begin. Overview of the reproductive system. The reproductive system is a group of organs and structures that work together to produce offspring. Unlike other systems in the body, it is not essential for individual survival, but it is crucial for the survival of the species. There are two main types: the male reproductive system, the female reproductive system. Each has unique structures, but they work together in reproduction. Their primary functions include producing reproductive cells, sperm and eggs, transporting these cells, supporting fertilization, in females, nurturing a developing fetus. Male reproductive system. Let's start with the male reproductive system. Main organs: testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, penis, testes. The testes are oval-shaped organs located in the scrotum. Their two main functions: producing sperm, producing testosterone. Inside the testes are tiny tubes called seminiferous tubules, where sperm production occurs. This process is called spermatogenesis. Sperm production begins at puberty and continues throughout life. Sperm pathway. Once sperm are produced, they move through epididymis, where they mature and gain mobility. Vas deferens transports sperm. Ejaculatory duct mixes sperm with fluids. These fluids come from seminal vesicles, provide energy-rich fluid. Prostate gland adds protective alkaline fluid. The final mixture is called semen. Female reproductive system. Now let's explore the female reproductive system. Main organs: ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, vagina. Ovaries. The ovaries are responsible for producing eggs, ova, secreting hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Females are born with all the eggs they will ever have. Each month, one egg typically matures and is released, a process called ovulation. Fallopian tubes. These tubes connect the ovaries to the uterus. They are the site of fertilization. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia help move the egg along. Uterus. The uterus is a muscular organ where a fertilized egg implants and grows. Its inner lining, called the endometrium, thickens each month in preparation for pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, this lining is shed during menstruation. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. The vagina serves as the birth canal, the passage for menstrual flow, the entry point for sperm. The menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a monthly process that prepares the female body for pregnancy. It typically lasts about 28 days and includes 4 phases. 1. Menstrual phase. The uterine lining is shed. 2. Follicular phase. Hormones stimulate egg development. 3. Ovulation. The ovary releases an egg. 4. Luteal phase. The body prepares for possible pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, the cycle repeats. Hormonal control. The reproductive system is controlled by hormones. Key players include gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, luteinizing hormone, LH, estrogen and progesterone in females, testosterone in males. These hormones regulate puberty, gamete production, sexual function, pregnancy, fertilization and pregnancy. Fertilization occurs when a sperm cell meets an egg, usually in the fallopian tube. The fertilized egg becomes a zygote, which begins dividing. It travels to the uterus and implants in the uterine lining. From here, it develops into an embryo, then a fetus. The placenta forms to nourish and protect the developing baby. Pregnancy typically lasts about 9 months. Common disorders. Some common reproductive system conditions include: in males, erectile dysfunction, low sperm count, prostate enlargement; in females, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, Endometriosis, infertility, maintaining reproductive health is essential for overall well being. The reproductive system is one of the most complex and powerful systems in the human body. It not only allows life to continue, it also influences hormones, growth, and identity. Understanding how it works helps us better care for our bodies and make informed health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves learning about the human body. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring with Anatomy of Life.